to this brief somatic mindfulness meditation where you get to check in with what is happening in your body. So as you sit on your chair where you find yourself, allow yourself to take a couple deep breaths. Hopefully you've carved out this time on your own for you to be with yourself. Notice what that's like to take a moment that is really only for you, to honor you. Allow yourself to take another deep breath. And as you do, notice that deep breath filling up your head, flowing your attention to your head area, noticing what it's like there. Is there any tension, tightness, or a heaviness? And then notice whether it's localized to one area or is it everywhere? Is it in a few different places? Simply notice. Not trying to change it, just notice. Notice if it's more in the front or the back, the right or the left. And noticing how intense it is on a scale of 1 to 10. All you need to do is notice. And then when you've identified it and sat with it for a moment, simply say to yourself, I notice. Letting your body know that you are paying attention to your own experience. On your next inhale, drop your attention down to your throat center. And notice what it's like in that space. Is it tight? Is it loose? Is there a lump there? Simply notice. Is it very small and localized? Or is it expansive and takes up your whole throat? How big is that feeling on a scale of 1 to 10? Really let yourself get to know yourself in this area of your body. And then simply say, I notice. And then dropping down into your heart center. Noticing what the space in your chest is like right now. Is it tight? Is it weighted? Is it like a little ball? Maybe it's open and expansive. Maybe this feeling exists more on the right or the left. Simply notice, knowing that there is no right or wrong answer. There is only information about what is happening for you right now in this moment. When you're done, simply say, I notice. And then dropping down to your solar plexus. Same thing. Notice the quality of that space where your ribs meet at the front. Right there in your body. Notice the quality of the sensation, if there is one, and its intensity. Perhaps you experience a color that goes along with it. Whatever it is, just notice. After you've said, I notice, drop down to your stomach area, your gut, and notice what's happening there. Perhaps it's gurgling. Or if you're nervous, maybe filled with butterflies. Or it may be wrenched in a knot. Whatever the experience, just notice without judgment. Notice it with acceptance and curious kindness. Noticing all the different aspects of it, its location, its qualities, and its intensity. And when you're done, say, I notice. And then dropping down to your root chakra, sort of the area of your perineum and your bottom. Just noticing right there what you notice. You likely notice where you're making contact with your chair or couch or wherever you're sitting. And also notice anything else about this bottom part of your torso. Again, noticing the quality. The location. And the intensity. Breathing into it. And saying, I notice. And finally taking one moment to scan anywhere else in your body, your arms or your legs, your feet or your hands, where you notice any other sensations. And when you detect any, say, I notice. taking a couple more deep breaths. Thank your body for speaking to you. And thank yourself for taking the time to listen. For listening is the way that we reconnect with lost knowledge necessary on your healing journey. Have a beautiful day. And thank you for spending this time with me and yourself.